Hello, my name is Marcelo from class 5D, since 21. Today, I'm gonna make a pancake. The first ingredients are 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then I need 1¼ cup of flour and 1¼ cup of milk. And then I need a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first step is I need to pour the 1 tablespoon of baking powder into the bowl. And then I need to pour 1 tablespoon of sugar into the bowl. Then I need to pour the 1¼ cup of flour to the bowl also. And then I also need to put the salt, the half teaspoon salt, into the bowl. Second step is I need to pour the egg into the bowl. First, I need to crack the egg first. After I crack the egg, I pour it into the bowl. After that, I pour the melted butter into the bowl. After that, pour the milk into the bowl. And then mix it with the whisk. And then put the vanilla extract into the bowl. I mix it with my whisk until it smooths like this. After that, I put out my whisk. And I change it with my spoon. I need to use the spoon to pour the batter to the pan. But first, I need to warm it up first and pour some butter until it melts. After I warm up the pan, I need to put the butter in it. Then I need to put it all over the pan. After I put all of the butter, I need to pour the batter into the pan. I need to pour it all over the pan. I need to wait until it's a little bit golden brown. After it's bubbling and a little bit golden brown, I need to flip it. I need to flip it like that. And then we wait the other side to go a little bit golden brown also. After it's already brown, you put the pancake to the plate, and then you can put some, if you want to make it more interesting, you can put some toppings in it like ice cream or fruits. Tada! This is my ice cream, my pancake, and I put some toppings in it. I put the chocolate ice cream. This is my pancake. Thank you for watching. Bye.